All right, Ivana, show me what you purged from our backpacks.
Ta-da!
That's it?
Yeah.
You know what, Ivana? I'm not mad. I'm just disappointed. Okay, we have so much crap in these backpacks, guys. We have so much more to delete. We have no time right now. When we get to KL, you're going to see what it means to purge the backpacks.
You know
I
what?
could probably get rid of 5 kilos.
Half of my stuff is like winter clothes that we don't even need here.
Donate.
Should I just throw them out?
Next country we go to will probably be the Arctic. We should probably keep it.
Man.
Oh, it's so hard to be long-term traveler. Anyway, okay, guys. Today we are going to KL.
We're going back to KL, guys.
Unfortunately, our drone completely broke, and we have to get a new one, and can't get one here. More details on that story later. But in the meantime, let's get the bus, 6-hour bus to KL.
Okay, let's check out.
With our heaviest backpacks, because Ivana can't throw things in the garbage.
Hey, I pack everything, okay?
Good packing, Ivana.
Okay, let's go.
Okay,
Gotta
let's
check
go.
out and not be late for the bus.
Not be late for the bus. Let's go. Okay, bye-bye hotel room. See you later. All right, no Grab drivers are available. So we gotta walk to the bus station. Good thing the backpacks are so heavy.
Let's go. We're gonna be late, man.
Woof! Ivana's fast, man. I almost got hit by a car there, babe. Ivana's running with her backpack on. Oh, let me guess. You put all the heavy stuff in my bag, no?
No.
Whoa! Whoa! That's why we don't even have to go to the gym anymore. Never mind the gym, Ivana's working out right now. Wow! Okay, we made it. Whew, good work. Ivana went to the bathroom. Honestly, her bag is really heavy too. I think she's just in better shape than me. Whew, I'm dying, man. Wow, Ivana. You look like $1,000,000 actually. Your hair is like a model. Wow.
It's like I just took a shower.
Like it just took a shower.
So what?
You look like a model. Do the pout. Whoa!
We walked from our hotel all the way to the bus station here.
And we're still early, 7 minutes early.
Yeah.
So, beautiful.
Okay.
Next stop, 6 hours to KL.
Okay, we're just waiting for the bus now to come. We still have time. We thought we're
Emergency trip.
Yeah, emergency trip back to KL.
What's our new motto, Ivana?
New motto: don't get frustrated, just get creative.
Boom.
Yeah, you gotta be flexible when you travel.
Gotta be flexible. So we will be back in Terengganu soon.
Yeah, expect the unexpected.
Expect the unexpected.
It sucks, but what can we do?
That's life. So
Yeah.
the story is our drone broke. And then we went, yesterday we spent like a 2-hour bus ride to Dungun, walked half an hour from the bus station to the guy's store, waited an hour for the guy who wasn't there. So 3.5 hours later, we get in his store and we see the drones he has, and he doesn't have the one
That we needed.
that he said he had. So
Yeah.
it's just a misunderstanding. I don't think necessarily he was trying to trick us,
Yeah.
but all that is speculation. What's true is he said he had it on text message. We went there and he didn't have it. He said he sold it right before we got there.
What a waste of time and money.
Epic waste of money, epic waste of time. We missed the last train back, so we had to take a Grab from Dungun to KT.
Yeah.
It's like a.
You mean bus? The last bus.
We missed the last bus back, so we took a Grab.
Which costs like 100 ringgit.
So it was a bit of a disastrous day yesterday. We were quite frustrated, but we decided instead of getting frustrated, we'll just get creative.
Yeah.
And so we're gonna go back to KL, and then we will explore a little bit more in KL. Then we'll go to Malacca for Hari Raya with our Ajiba Bung, who you guys know from many, many videos.
We're gonna balik kampung.
Bali Kampung, and then we'll come back to KT. Not frustrated, just creative. So we've taken a bus like this many times in Malaysia. It's called an express bus. The seats are comfy, they recline back, quite nice, and for the price, just can't go wrong. Best way to travel Malaysia.
Okay, let's get in.
We go.
To BNC.
So our next stop in Terengganu was Perhentian. They call it the Maldives of Malaysia. I guess we just felt like, as a vlogger, going to Perhentian with no drone, it's like eating pizza with no cheese. Or what's a better example? It's like going to space with no spacesuit. Like you gotta have it. So we'll rearrange it. We will make it to Perhentian, hopefully Redang, with a new and improved drone. Wow, Ivana, that's amazing. Ivana's taking a seasickness pill, motion sickness pill, Gravol, on the bus ride. Meanwhile, 2 days ago, we were squid jigging, tiny boat, open waters. I was like useless. I was like sick as a dog, and Ivana was fine.
I get motion sickness on the bus.
But not on a boat. Very interesting. For me, this is no big deal. It's a bus ride, but the boat was like, I was lying on the ground pouting the whole time. Couldn't even stand up. Interesting. There you have it. Everyone's different. Alright, made it to KL. I think the bus is quite late. It's not, I think it was supposed to be 6 hours, but it took like 7.5. No big deal, we made it. Good work, Ivana. Look at the dedication. Do you work here? I'll give you a tip, okay?
We're in KL.
Made it back. Okay, first things first, we gotta get a grab to Bukit Bintang. We'll show you our place. I'm so hungry, I'm so bored, I'm restless. I'm like so tired that I'm energetic. I feel funky. But 7.5 hours bus ride later.
Woo, long ride.
We made it back to KL. We should put a mask on, shouldn't we?
Oh yeah.
No mask in Terengganu, but definitely mask in KL.
Yeah. Okay.
All right, next stop, grab to Bukit Bintang. So we're back in the bus station that's nicer than an airport. Look at this, world-class bus station. Mask on. I gotta say, Vaughn, I'm proud of you. 7.5 hour bus ride. You didn't go to the bathroom once.
All at once.
Once. Ivana is a notorious go to the bathroom every half an hour on a trip. Improving. Oh, beautiful. Thank you. Actually, the same street as where we stayed before in Bukit Bintang, if you guys remember from our old videos. Fancy, fancy place, Ivana.
First floor.
Ooh, first floor. Ooh, luxury, luxury, do 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 do. Wait a second, what's happening here? Half of our room is a curtain. Oh, there's a window. Oh man, there's a balcony. Oh, luxury. Way to go, Ivana. Good job.
Not a full apartment, but still okay.
Not a full apartment, but we've definitely leveled up our accommodations. For like the past year and a half, we were doing like budget, cheapest possible rooms, and it was just too much.
But
especially now that we're getting some views on YouTube, we're like, yo, let's get some proper rooms. It's so much better to do work.
This
There's
is
like a
what's
proper
important.
desk. This is the most important thing. The
Working
proper desk.
and a chair.
Yes.
That's what we're looking for.
We're trying to do work, and it's like the table's crooked, and you're bent over, and your back is hurting. You're like, I just can't do this. We're trying to level up, and so look at this. I feel like fancy.
This is 20 Canadian per night, which is how much?
60 ringgits a night.
60 ringgits a night,
Pretty
including
good.
breakfast.
Including breakfast. Pretty good deal.
Yeah.
It'll probably be not fancy breakfast, but I'll probably eat everything in sight just to get the money's worth and
Yeah.
skip lunch.
That's true.
Really
All
good.
right.
Okay, there you have it, guys. I'm actually far too lazy to purge these backpacks tonight. I am going to purge them. I'm going to show Ivana what it's like to delete stuff. The bags are getting bigger every week. So here's some clips of what I do tomorrow when I delete stuff. And now it's time for dinner. I'm so hungry I'm going to fall over. Whew, so hungry. I'm about
We've been on the
to
bus for like 7 hours.
I'm about to eat my hat. Okay, yeah, 7.5 hour bus ride.
Yeah.
Alright, thanks for watching, everybody. Back to KL for a week, over to Malacca for a week, back to KL for a week, and back to Terengganu. Lots of traveling. Stay tuned for lots more Malaysia vlogs. Malaysia, we love you, baby.
Malaysia trip 2020.
Woo!
Oh yeah.
MM2H, here we come. Bye.